In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar and Make.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure all your tasks and events are perfectly synchronized, you're in the right place. This process is fairly straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. So let's dive in. First, open up the database in Notion where you'd like to create the link. At the end of your existing columns, you'll see a plus icon. Click on this to add a new property. This property will serve as a pivotal point for integrating your Notion data with Google Calendar later on. While naming the new property, keep in mind what you are looking to sync, whether it's dates or specific tasks, to make the process smoother. Next, you'll need to create an integration in Notion. This sounds technical, but it's an essential step to bridge the gap between Notion and external platforms like Google Calendar. To do this, head over to Notion's integration settings, make sure you are signed in with your account, and follow the prompts to create a new integration. Give it a clear name that makes it easy to identify later. Notion will provide you with a unique integration token or code. Copy and keep it handy, as you'll need this piece of information in the next step. Now it's time to turn our attention to Make.com. Make is an incredible tool that helps link different digital services together, and here it's going to be the magic bridge connecting Notion and Google Calendar. Start by logging into your Make account or signing up if you're new to it. Once inside, you'll look for the option to set up a Notion connection. This is where the integration token you saved earlier comes into play. Paste it into the required field when prompted, thus allowing Make to access your Notion data. Once the Notion connection is made, it's important to test it out. You can do this by creating a simple scenario or automation task within Make. This test will confirm that the link is functional and will effectively sync the desired data with Google Calendar. As you build your automation, ensure you configure it to fetch the right data from your Notion database, like calendar dates or events you need on Google Calendar. This careful setup is crucial to ensure seamless syncing without errors. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll connect Notion to Google Calendar using Make with ease. With this setup, managing tasks and meetings becomes a breeze, keeping your schedule consistent and reducing double booking mishaps. Remember, automation is about making technology work for you, so take time to experiment and tailor the setup to your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.